Hi, good morning. Welcome to our maths session. How have you been able to do your last time's maths? Counting in tens. Was it easy? Yes, I know up to 10, up to 100 you can count just like that because you're very familiar with those numbers when you're writing. But beyond 100, what will help you in counting? Cards only, number cards. You just work with number cards, just go through it. For that, what you have to do, like in school how we do, almost every day once at least you have to do the counting with number cards. If you do with that, then you'll remember it always. It's so easy. You know, children at your age, other school children, they will know only up to 100. That also they will not know. But you're going beyond 100, is it not? How is it? Because of the card. The magic is in the card, and you will be able to see every time you see it, you will start developing your understanding. Okay? So please remember to do almost every day. Don't be lethargic or take it like, no, I'll go tomorrow, like that. At least once every day, because every week we are learning something new. So we don't want to miss out what we learned earlier, right? Yes. So in school, every day I'll make you. Remember the commitment sheet? I'll take it from you and I'll make you do the commitment sheet. Correct? Yes. Or I'll at least make you sit with your friend and do, to make sure. Now there is no friend, you can sit with mommy. Okay, mommy or daddy, like that. Okay, let's begin with today's class. Today's date is 14th. The 14th of October. Okay, 2020. And it's a Wednesday. Now, today's topic is about what comes before. Okay, so you know that if I'm going to tell you what comes before Monday, you will say Sunday. Is it not? What comes before lunch? What do you eat before lunch? Before breakfast. Correct? So you know all these details very well, what comes before. So I don't have to explain you the meaning of before. You know already what is before. Now we are going to see numbers, what comes before. Okay? Let's say take this first number. Okay, can you see this first number alone? Yeah, it says 2, 3. Assume the number goes on like this, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But I missed one number before 2 and 3. What comes before 2 and 3? What will come before 2? 1. Correct. That is where you are very sure about that, right? All numbers begin with 1. The number system begins with 1. So 1, 2, 3. Okay. So to confirm it, you say 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6, like that. So you know what comes before 2, is it not? Now I want you to look at this slate, and you will also do like this at home. Okay. See, I have written the numbers like this on the slate, your 4-line slate only. Okay. So on the slate you are going to, you also can practice writing like this. Leave this space here. Okay, write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then what will come? 10. Is it not? Correct. Now, you tell me what comes before 3? 2. What comes before 5? 4. What comes before 6? 5. What comes before 10? 9. Okay. Then after that it goes on. After 10 it becomes 11, 12, and it goes on like that. Is it not? So when I am going to write here 11. Did you see what is this? 1. Can you tell me what is there before 1? 0. What is there before 1? 0. Will you remember that? What will be there before 1? 0. So, I am going to write here before 1 there will be 0. And you know what is 0? Nothing. So to understand also, take a look at it. Before 2 there is 1. Before 1 there is nothing. So you write here 0. Okay. Now you have to just remember this. Always when you say 1, before that there will be 0. Okay. Now let's change the number and see what we get. Okay. Let's say I am going to write here ones. Okay. What is there before 12? 11. What is there before 13? 12. What is there before 15? 14. So what will be there before 11? Can you say me? Before 11 what is there? The same one only I have to write here. Before 11 there will be 10. Okay, you already have here, you see, you understood, no? Before 1 there is 0. Now you also think and see when you are trying to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Do you get it? Yeah? Okay, let's try another tens number. Okay, let me write here 2. 25, 26, 27, 28, goes on like this. Now you see, what is there before 23? 22. What is there before 22? 21. What is there before 21? 20. See, is it easier now? Okay? Okay, let's try another number. Tell me any number. Let me take my favorite number. My favorite number is 7. Okay? So 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, goes on like that. So when I say what is before 75, you will say 74. What is before 72? You will say 71. What is before 71? 70. Okay? It goes on like that. So there shouldn't be any confusion for you to know what is before 1. Before 1 there will be always a 0. 0 means nothing, right? But 70 is not nothing. 70 is a big number. Just for you to know the place value, I am telling you 0. Before 1 there will be a 0 always. Okay? Then going to the continuing like that, let's say we are talking about 76, 76, 77, 78, 79, and then comes what? 80. Is it not? So one more thing what you have to remember is what is before 0. What is before 0? It has to be a 9 only. Is it not? Yes? Okay, let's simply try and take 1 itself in the tens itself, okay? Assuming we are doing 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. See what is there before 20? 19. Or let's do it without anything itself. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What is before 10? 9. You have to remember before 0 there will be a 9. Okay? Will you remember that? Okay. So these are the two things that you will have to remember when you are going to do before numbers, when you are going to find out what comes before. Before 1 there is a 0 and before 0 there is a 9. Okay? Understood? The meaning after 0 there will be a 1. So after this 0 there has to be a 1. Shall we try and see? Come on, let's try. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. You see, after a 0, there has to be a 1. And before the 0, there has to be a 9. Okay, so children, you will have to remember this very well. Okay? Okay? It starts with a 0, 0, 1, 2. Remember your spindle box? You had 1, 2, 3, and then in the spindle box there was one empty section and you call it 0, is it not? So in the number system it starts with a 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. After that again you go 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so you have to remember this part alone very well. It will help you in remembering or writing down when you are going to do thinking. Okay, reasoning. When you are going to do reasoning, it will help you before 0, 9, after 0, 1. Okay? Okay. Now I'll show you one more chart. Take a look at this chart. Do you see what number it is starting with? 0. Remember seeing this chart in the school? Yes. Can you count with me? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? Then comes 11. 12, 13, goes on like that. See, it's all tens. But did you notice what came before 1? 0. So after 19, you go to like 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Then it is all 20 series. Then 30 series, 40 series, 50 series, 60 series, 70 series, 80 series and 90 series. You have to remember that if somebody asks you what is before 21, you must know it is 20. This one, please remember that before that there has to be a 0. Okay? Before 21, so you will have 20. And what will be there before 20? It has to be a 9. I told you, no? What will be there before 0? 9. Let's check. Yes. Okay? It has to be a 9 and of a lesser hierarchy. So from 20, you have to go back to 1. So what will be before 30? It has to be a 9 here and you have to go backwards. So it will be a 29. It has to be a 9, right? So 29. What will be before 40? It has to be a 9. So you'll have to go back and see it will be 39. What will be before 50? It has to be a 9. If you go back, you will find 49. What is before 50? 49. What is before 60? 59. What is before 70? 69. Okay, like that it goes on. For any number, big or small, you just have to remember this. Okay? So you are going to practice like this only. Okay? Start with a 0, 1, 2, 3. Leave this column and go on to the last column and fill it up. Then you practice like how I showed you. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Now ask yourself, what comes before 14? 13. What comes before 11? 10. Okay, will you ask yourself like that? So if somebody is going to give you a number, if mommy is going to ask you, what comes before 23? What will you do? You will write 23, 24. What comes before 23? 22. Now, tell me what comes before 18. Tell me what comes before 18. 17. Is it not? Okay. This you have to practice and learn. Okay. We'll just see what we have to do in our workbook. So this is how the exercise will be in your book. In your book, I am not going to give you the full length of numbers. I will just give you set of 3 numbers. 3 numbers, 3 numbers, 3 numbers, like that set of 3 numbers. That is all I will give you. And you will have to tell me what will come before that. For example, 2, 3. Okay? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like that. Can you tell me what will come before 2? 1. Confirm it by saying 1, 2, 3. Got it? Always confirm. So now you know that before 2 it is always 1. So tell me what will come before 12 and 13. It has to be 11. Okay. Can you tell me what comes before 62 or 63? Before 62, what will come? 61. What will come before 92? 91. Okay? This is just an introduction for you. Okay? So you don't have to get scared with numbers. Just for you to know. It's a game. It's a mind game. For you to know what comes before. It's just a game. It's just an introduction. Okay? So now you got to know before 2, 1 will come. So before 12, 11. Before 62, 61. Before 92, 91. We'll see more examples. 31, 32. What will come before 31? What will come before 31? Do you see 1? What did I tell you? What comes before 1? 0, is it not? Yes. So it has to be a 0. So what comes before 31? 30. Now say 30, 31, 32. Correct? Okay. What comes before 81? Before 1? 0. So what will be here before 81? 80. 80, 81, 82. Correct? Good. What will come before 51? 51. Before that? 50. Confirm. 50, 51, 52. Good. What will come before 1? What will come before 1? 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Goes on like that. Shall we try one more example? Here. Now this is a little more trickier. I told you what comes before 0? 9 has to come. Is it not? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. It goes on like that. Is it not? So what comes before 0? 9 has to come. See now. 40, 41. What will come before 40? 0 க்கு முன்னாடி என்ன வரும்? It has to be a 9. Then tell me what will come now. Will it be 49 or 39? Will it be 49 or 39? 39. Try and say, confirm. 39, 40, 41. Okay? To confirm in your chart, I can show you 39, 40, 41. Okay? Next one. 70. 70, 71, 72, 73. What will come before 70? Before 0 will be a 9. Kandipa, it has to be a 9. So what will be there? What will be there? 79 or 69? 69. You have to go back. Go back. 69. So you say 69, 70, 71. Okay? What will be before 30? Again a 9 because it's a 0. And what will be there before 3? 2. 29. 29, 30, 31. Next one. 20. What will be before 20? Because it is a 0, definitely there has to be a 9. And before 2 it will be 1. You have to go back. 19, 20, 21. Okay? This is going to be a little tricky. It's just a mind game. I am only introducing the numbers to you. Okay? I know you will be very sure when I am going to ask you just this alone. What is before 3? You can say 2. What is before 10? 9. What is there before 8? 7. That you will be able to say. But we have more numbers, right? So what is the principle behind it? All you have to just remember is the 0 and what comes before and after it. Okay? Before a 0 there has to be a 9, and after the 0 it again begins with 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 goes on like that. Okay? You will have to do a lot of practice with your slate and chalk. Okay? With this only it will come. And then when you go to higher classes, it will become very, very easy. Now it's just an introduction for you to know there is something before and how to find out. If you cannot find out, you have to do practice only. Okay? So for your reference, let me just show you that in your workbook, you will open page number 15 and 16. So in your workbook page number 15, you will find what comes before like this. So what comes before 2 and 3? 1. What comes before 14, 15, 13? Okay, you're going backwards. So you can actually do jumping also at home. Then I'll show you how to do the jumping also. Similarly, you will have one more page, page number 16 in the same way. You will have the same pattern I would have given you in your homework book also for you to do tomorrow. See, when you come to school, at the moment you enter, have you noticed these stickers here? 10, 9. So Miss Juno will tell you the moment you come with your bag, I will ask you to jump and go. Shall we go one by one? Come, walk with me like how you walk to your bag room. Let's walk and see how you go there. Okay, let's start with 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. You will be almost going to your bag room, is it not? Remember? That's how we used to go. So children, at home also you can do this backward jumping like this and go. Okay, you are not jumping backward, you will go jump forward. Okay, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, like that you can jump. So you can have some stickers like that, or maybe you can have on your terrace also written with chalk piece and do the jumping when you go out to play in the terrace or outside. Will you try and do the backward jumping like that? Backward number counting? Okay. Just try, children. This is just a mental game. You must get started with that and slowly you will progress to bigger numbers also. I am very sure you will do it well. Okay. See you all in another video. Until then, bye bye. Thank you.